Well, there we are, folks. That's what it looks like. Now, I've got two colours. This is one of the colours that we used in the rose as a stick, and that's the Payne's Grey, which we've used already. Now, the faber-castell pastels are just a little softer, and the pastel pencil. So, if you want to do, and you don't have to do that, you could leave it like that because it looks good like that. But you could put just a little bit of Payne's Grey in, like that. And I wouldn't put it everywhere, just in spots, if you want to. In a random way, especially at the top, would be a good idea. Like I say, you don't have to do this, folks. Don't feel pressurised into doing it. You could leave it as it is. But you will see that by doing this, you do add just a little bit more interest to it. And there you go. Now, okay, now the red. Now I would use your colour shaper again. This time, blend it in. Like that. You'll pick some of it up so you can just infiltrate it into tricky areas. I'll just do this corner, then I'll complete the rest off camera. This picks up nicely on the red that we've used in the rose and on those thorns. I think that's probably all I do. Like that. I'll do the rest of it and then we'll have a look at it again. I'm just looking at it again, and again, you don't have to do this. I don't feel that you have to, but I think maybe just a little blue in there as well might work. Let's just put it in mine. I haven't got the 157 blue which we've used, but this is a royal blue, so that would work nicely. Let's just see what that looks like. Yeah, that works now. That works well. So, I'll do the rest of this now. And you can have a look at it. You need to pick up again, like there where I've strayed again. Yep. Okay, well, let me finish this off and then we'll have a good look at it when it's completely finished. And then I'll take the tape off too. That's it. That's all the grey, Payne's Grey, the red, and a little bit of blue put in. Don't think I've got any more. You will notice over here though it's a little bit lighter, and what I've done here, I've used the 230, which is the first colour we applied to this background, and what that can do is just give you a few little swirls. Again, don't do too many, just enough. And when you blend these, don't blend them right away, just add them with the colour shaper, just a little touch of blend, not too much, just leaving. There we are, done. Put them away. And there we are. Now that's been a fantastic project. I hope you enjoyed it. I did say I was going to take the tape off. Well, I am. Let's have a look and reveal. The big reveal. Always, I've told you many times, pull away from the picture. Otherwise you've got a chance of it cutting across your picture. And that will be fatal. So there we are. And we go up the other side. Turn it round. Pin the edges with your finger now. Make sure you tear it. Okay. And here. One more to go. There we are. And let's have a look at that. Stunning.